Okay, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 keys to intention setting. So enjoy. I'm out here today. It's a cold, still day, and I thought today, as we are the 3rd of January, I thought I would just talk a little bit about intention setting. So this is the time of year that a lot of people do New Year's resolutions, and yet interestingly most people's New Year's resolutions only last a couple of days, really. So I thought I would share today just a little bit about 3 keys to making the most out of intention setting. What do you need to really focus on in order to make the most out of this time of year? So a lot of people get inspired and they want to change. They want to either get fitter, lose weight, transform some area of their life, and others are doing it, so it's like, right, that energy is up. So I'm just going to share with you 3 ways today that you can really get the most out of it. And the first thing is to do with real clarity with your intention. So you can imagine that a ship is in harbour, and when you leave harbour, if you're the captain of that ship, if you do not know the clear direction of where you are going, then quite soon you're either going to get lost or you're going to crash up against things. And this is what I see a lot in intention setting, and this being a relationship coach, this is something that I see in the clients I work with, is that we come out of the harbour and we want a better relationship, but we don't know what that looks like. We haven't been really clear. So the first key to, amazing intention setting is to get clear. So be very precise. If it's to lose weight, it's like, I want to lose 7 pounds in 30 days. I want to lose 7 pounds in 7 days. And really have that clear intention. So you know, I'm going to that island over there and I'm going to get there in 7 days' time. It's like, right, it's obvious. Most people say I want to lose weight, or they say I want to start going to the gym, or I want a better relationship. But you've got to be specific. I want to connect more to my partner. I want at least one day a week that we go out together. I'd like that we do more self-development work. I'd like that for 10 minutes a day we sit down and we connect. It's like really clear. And then it's more obvious when you don't actually achieve that. It's like, you go back and have a look over that intention. So with clarity, it's really important that you put it somewhere that you're going to see every single day, whether that's in your wallet and whether that's on your wall, and to look at it. It's all very well having it there, but you then need to look at it every single day, at least a few times a day, to remind yourself, this is my direction. So that's the first key. The second key is to know that on your way to the island, on your way to your destination point, there's going to be storms. There's going to be challenges which arise. And why this is important to know is that this is kind of our unconscious, our patterns, our routines. It's like, today I've just been off for a bike ride, and I've worked out in my bag, my punch bag for half an hour, and this morning I didn't feel like doing it. Felt a bit poorly, sore back. It's like, can I be bothered to do it? And yet, when we know our direction, then it can be very easy for us to go, okay, I'm working out every day at the moment, or 5 days a week. It's like, right, I do it anyway. We get into that routine of, right, I'm going to do the exercise. So it's really important, therefore, to know that things are going to come up and try and distract you. And one of the ways I recommend to my clients is just regular routine. Every day you do it. You do this practice, you do these techniques, whatever that might be, going to the gym or sitting down with your partner. And it's just an everyday thing, like you brush your teeth and it just becomes that routine. So that's the second thing, which is really important. And the third thing is support. So you've probably heard when people do start an exercise routine, if they have a buddy, someone to run with, someone to work out with, then it is that much easier to achieve your intention. So in relationships, if you are setting this intention to really revolutionize your relationship, then to have the support of your partner, or maybe if you're a man, to have a group of men around you to support you, or a group of women, if you're a woman, then that can help us when we feel like going, I can't do this, this is too hard, I just want to sit, I want to go to the pub. We have that support which says, no, we're going to do this. We feel these blocks, we feel these resistance, and then we move through it. And the final thing, this is obviously an extra point, is that knowing that it takes time, and it's to be patient with this. And if you fall off the wagon and you maybe miss a day, it's okay. Notice that you want to beat yourself up, and then keep going with that. What research has shown, if you miss for 3 days, then it's really difficult to start again. So 1 day, yes, maybe 2, but if you miss the 3rd day, then it's kind of very difficult for us to get back. We've got to start again from the beginning. So those 3 keys to getting the most out of your intention, setting this new year or any time of the year. First thing is getting clarity. Second thing is knowing that stuff will come up, and if you've got a clear direction, then you can get there. And the third thing is having support. So yes, I offer these reflections today, and please do comment below and let me know maybe some of your intentions for this year. So, okay, many blessings. Take care.